Hello and welcome. I will be answering WAEC 2020 AGRIC Science Objective Part Question 47. So you have a diagram here showing a demand and supply graph. Okay, so the part labeled C in the graph is the A, quantity supplied, B, equilibrium price, C, quantity demanded, D, equilibrium point. So you have two lines here in the graph. So the one labeled D, the line labeled D is the demand curve. The one labeled S is the supply curve, and the part labeled C, where the demand and supply curve meet, where they intersect, is known as the equilibrium price. Okay, and the equilibrium price is the price at which the quantity of goods, okay, demanded and supplied are equal. So that is the equilibrium price labeled C. So C is equilibrium price, and equilibrium price is option B. So option B is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.